So that's sometimes what happens. The rope cuts off inside the handle. So I've been using this rope for quite some time now, and over the last couple months it's been getting shorter and shorter. Usually I just take this little bit that got separated from the main bit of rope, I throw it away, I put it on, and I continue jumping rope, but it's getting quite short, which makes it more difficult to jump rope, because the shorter the rope, that means the rope will be spinning around that much faster. The faster the rope is spinning around, the faster you're going to have to jump. So having a short rope is really good if you want to practice footwork and if you want to increase the number of calories that you burn in a workout, but it's definitely a lot more difficult. Some of the boxing gyms that I've been to, they often have very short jump ropes, and the reason being is they want to help their fighters improve their foot speed, their footwork. Alright, I'm just going to have to stop the video and I'll reset the timer and then I'll begin this workout again.